This video is made for educational and commentary purposes and includes significant original narration and analysis.
Where it takes me. But
For me, I like doing physical things. I guess I wasn't very physical as a child.
You're a cop!
That's why I do about horseback riding and
You're a cop, you stupid asshole!
miserable stuff.
What the hell are you doing?
But
What are you doing, idiot?
you have to make a
Why do you have to get over here?
You know, like you have to trust the horse has to trust you.
I don't trust the horse.
Of course.
Put your lights on,
I don't
dude!
trust those horses.
Alright. What am I doing? I'm a
Piece of shit. Nice try, dickhead in the Beamer.
Mam żadnych problemów z tym, ale kurwa na przykład też wiem, że you're merging. I'm number one. Okay.
Yeah! See where that got you, you asshole.
Road for 1.5 miles.
You get over.
Not the place to
Yeah, because they're worse than we are.
watch this. Let's stop it.
Boy, he is having a
He
fit.
is having a fit. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me! What, you using your rear mirror?
Yeah.
Apparently not.
Yeah, I turned around and I didn't see anything.
No, you work. I was already past you, kept on going right into me. I was already past you. How in the hell you hit me? You're being ignorant. Call the police.
Can I just give you my info? Can I just give you my info?
You're not going anywhere. Like, you're gonna wait for the police. You take off, I'll have the police arrest your ass.
I need to be somewhere.
You're not, unfortunately, there's 43rd Avenue and McDowell, which is okay. Unfortunately, it does not matter. You take off, you're leaving the scene of an accident. You gonna back into more? Hey, he's taking off. He's taking off. Come on, let's go. Oh, the stop sign. Kill you. Kill you. Come on, here's some.
Oh, and I dipped below quarter tank. That little detour probably screwed me, but whatever. Or no, not the little detour, the stop track. Jesus Christ, Tesla. You're at the exact same stoplight I am. What did that accomplish?
Yeah, Zoe Stark is expected to be sidelined for the rest of 2020.
The area with aid, and you need to have it decentralized at lots of different places, and you need to have it near where people are, so that it's as convenient as possible, and you have as short lines as possible, because you don't want hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands, definitely not hundreds of thousands of people. Its design is explicitly for depopulating northern Gaza. Like, flour, dried pasta, and some dried beans. Now, think about that. What? It's better than having nothing in your hands. But what do you need to take that to something edible, like water and an energy source, which are also extremely hard to.
Are you seriously gonna go? You dumb damn fool. From shepherd to warrior. Wow.
Seeing the sign. Oh, right in front of me. Okay. Alright. Okay, Garmin. Thanks. See you, Ben. Oh, save video.
serious? Babe, you see this, right?
God damn, you stupid mother. No, please go. 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 Oh my God. Yo. Pull over.
Ago, and now is that bullshit too? No. Is your name even Screech? Are you even a beholder? Left.
Yeah, what am I doing? He invented. Yeah, he. Okay. He was like,
what are you doing?
He's like,
This
he
is
went
so
through
funny. This
every.
is
Oh, you
where you divided into like what is
idiot!
Thank you for watching this video. I hope the message of driving safely resonated with you. If you feel this video is important, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you can help spread awareness about safe driving practices and potentially save lives. Thank you, and stay safe on the roads.